feel free to call me a carpenter. Like what? This one is not what I ordered versus what I got. So can you see that my inspiration matched what I actually made? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get crafting, guys. So I wanted, something big for my birthday. Like Beyonce said. So I went in search for how to make a 3D cake, like the inspirations I got you saw at the beginning of the video. So I saw those pictures on Instagram, and I'm like, most of our photographers here in Nigeria, they hardly get such. They'll just have the normal stands and all. So I had to make it myself from the scratch. So this is like half-inch plywood boards and some sticks that I got from the wood shop. Like you can see, I don't talk carpenter finish. See the way I'm even putting the pencil in my ear. So feel free to pause this video and in order to get all the measurements that I used for the video. So I think for the sticks length, this down part was 19 inches and the second part is going to be like 18 inches. So this is me just trying to fix the sticks all around the wood. Like you can see, it's already forming now. I don't talk carpenter finish. What Jade cannot do, hey God, I beg. So this is me just using a nail to attach the wood to both sides of the plywood, as you can see. But then I realized that this four sticks I have put would not be enough, that if I stand on this thing, that I feel fall down. So I decided to add more sticks. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Hi guys, my name is Janearl, a mom of two, a crafter, a DIY queen. I create content on lifestyle, motherhood. It's been so long I made content on natural hair, but I still do it once in a while. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 3D cake for a birthday photo shoot prop, for your studio prop, and or whatever it is you want to use it for. So yes, so this is me trying to make the second one. Like I told you, the stick length is 19 inches and 18 inches, and as you can see, I'm done making the first and the second layer. Oh my gosh, look at me sitting on it, and it's really sturdy. Like it's sturdy, it's very strong. You can see I have not fallen over. I sat down comfortably on it. So I'm going to be making use of the cake stand that I did for Brielle's birthday, as the last layer, just because I didn't want to buy wood anymore. Like these woods were expensive. I decided to use carton for the last part of it though. So this is me covering the wood with some pelican card. I made use of pelican card to cover the wood. So you can get any other material you want if you want to use it, but I made use of pelican card and it came out so nice. As you can see, I'm using my hot glue gun to attach it to the wood. But if you have like staple gun, you can use your staple gun to staple them in. So this is me after covering it. I made use of some scraps of fabrics I have at home. You guys know I did sew, I did do everything. And this is the final result. So I made these bows to fix all over. Oh my gosh, they're looking so beautiful. I added some candles on top. At the tip of the candles, I added like yellow cardboard, paper to give this fire effect. Oh my gosh. So I decided to do a white cake stand because my dress was pink, as you can see. Oh my god, a baby girl. What do you guys think? Did it come out beautiful? Did it come out nice? Like, you're gonna be seeing the pictures in the next slide, and oh my gosh, everybody was in awe. Everybody. So if you need this for rent, if you're a photographer, if you're a mom, if you're anybody that just wants something different for his or her birthday photo shoot, this 3D cake stand is available for rent. It's available for purchase. Please come and buy it after my birthday. I don't know what to carry out doing in. So please come and rent it if you're a photographer or if you're interested. If you know a photographer who would love it, please reach out to me for renting, especially if you are in Lagos. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching up to here. Please let me know in your comments, how did I do? Did I do amazing? Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye.